So this is where we're staying, this Bacchus Hotel. They also call it Bacchus Pension, because it used to be a hostel as well, but I believe they renovated it and turned it into a hotel. So there's like some updated things in the room, but we'll show you what it looks like in there. Oh, and driving in here was a little tricky, but Kathy has skills, so she was able to come in here, park, and the staff here helped us out with the parking. He took the keys because, you know, I gotta kind of play Tetris with cars here and move them around for parking. This is our room, 303. And then we gotta put the key in here for the electricity to come on. Is that the right way? Let's try this way. Ta-da! I am staying in Antalya, Old Town Antalya, at a hotel called Bacchus Pension. It's also known as Bacchus Hotel, or Bacchus Pension, or Bacchus Hostel, because I believe it used to be a hostel and they renovated it and changed it into a hotel. So it's actually updated. There's lots of renovations that went on, I'm sure. The room looks pretty new. There are some little quirks here and there, but overall, it's a really great room, especially for the price. It's only, it's under $50. Under $50. I mean, you can't even find that in America. I mean, maybe you can, but it'll be a really crappy hotel. This is actually really decent, and it's in like a main spot. Like there's lots of things around, plenty of restaurants. The harbor is just downhill, so it's super close by. Of course, the hospitality is great too, like all the other hotels I've been to in Turkey so far. They're just so accommodating, and when I checked in, originally I think I booked a room with a balcony, but he saw like the luggage I think we had, and he thought that probably we needed more room, which he was right. So he showed us 2 room options, which was great. I've never had that before. So he showed us the room that I picked, which was a smaller room with 2 single beds. And there was a balcony, but it was definitely smaller. And then the second room was definitely bigger. It was kind of like, it kind of like has like a separation a little bit, which I'll show in a bit, but there's like a single size bed and a double bed, and it was a much bigger room, and we definitely prefer this room. So let me give you a tour. So when the staff was showing us around, he took us upstairs first to the terrace area to show us the breakfast room, which I'll have to show you that too. It's really nice. So we got a big bottle of water with our hotel stay. I always need water, so this was great. And we use it too for boiling hot water for our coffee. Notice that a lot of the hotels in Turkey, well, the ones we've been to so far, will give you some instant coffee to make in the mornings, which we did already. And they always give you a pot where you can boil your water. There's also an AC unit, which you'll need because it gets really hot here. Yesterday when we arrived, it was probably close to, I don't know, 85, 90, and it was really hot, so we needed that AC. And they also have a little fridge, which is always nice to have. I like to cool my drinks. Nice to have ice cold water sometimes. And that's the little TV. And then over here, you got a little bench where you can lay your luggage, and a big closet where you can hang lots of clothes. They also have a digital safe down here. And originally there were like 2 big comforters in here, and there's some extra blankets if you need. And here is some extra towels. I can't open it because I got luggage there, but there's just some extra towels and some extra storage space if you need it. So over here is the bed, and this is the double-sized bed. The comforter I got from the closet, and it was an okay bed. It wasn't the most comfortable, but it wasn't bad either. I did get good night's rest, and a couple of nightstands nearby. And then the other side, this is where it's kind of separated. They kind of have their own space here with a single bed. And a lovely window. And they got a little nightstand too. The only thing is on this side, you won't have any outlets. So they had put all the outlets over here. There's actually one over here, and then on the other side, There's two, which I'm using right now to charge my phone and my Wi-Fi, my hotspot by Travel Wi-Fi. This is the bathroom right next door, and the shower was really nice. They have a rain shower head there, and then also detachable shower head. And then they provide lots of shampoo, body soap, and conditioner, so you don't have to worry about running that out. And that's the toilet area. This is the dryer. Looked pretty good. Then you have some extra outlets here for shavers. And then this is another outlet here for your curling iron and whatnot. And yeah, that's about it in this bathroom. So a little mirror. And I think that's about it. So that's the room tour. We're about to go eat breakfast now. So yeah, this includes breakfast for less than $50. That's amazing. But yeah, so breakfast is served from 8:30, I think for a couple of hours, and it's served upstairs at the top where they have a gorgeous view of the sea. It's outstanding. When we went up there originally, when the staff showed us where to eat, we were blown away by the view. Like, I had no idea it was like that. So we're really looking forward to eating breakfast with a view. Hope this review helped you out. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.